In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the status of your tasks in Clickup. Whether you're managing a busy project or just organizing your day-to-day activities, adjusting task statuses is essential for keeping track of progress and ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Let's walk through the steps to do this seamlessly. First, open your browser and navigate to Clickup's website. Clickup is a powerful productivity tool that's widely used by teams and individuals to enhance workflow efficiency and collaboration. By logging into Clickup, you open the door to managing your tasks more effectively. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the upper right corner and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you have a Google account associated with Clickup, there's an even easier way to access your tasks. Click on the Sign In with Google button. This single click will redirect you to the Google Sign In page. On the Google Sign In page, go ahead and select the account that you've linked with Clickup. It's important to pick the correct account here, as Clickup will access your tasks tied to this specific login. If your tasks are associated with another account, you won't see them. After selecting your account, you will be taken directly to your Clickup dashboard. Now that you're logged in and on your dashboard, you should see a list of tasks that are part of your current project or personal organization. If not, don't worry, simply navigate to the correct project or list by using the sidebar on the left to find what you're looking for. Once your list of tasks is in view, you can start changing their statuses. Identify the task whose status you want to change. Next to the task name, you'll see a small circle icon. Clicking this opens a drop-down menu where you can adjust the task status. This is where the fun begins, updating the progress of your work. In the drop-down, you'll see options like To Do, In Progress, and Complete. Go ahead and click on In Progress if you've started working on the task but haven't finished it yet. Changing the status to In Progress helps to indicate that the task is currently being worked on and is typically used to signal to others or remind yourself that the task requires ongoing attention. Once you are done working on a task, return to the drop-down menu and select Complete. This marks your task as finished. Marking tasks as complete not only helps in managing your time better, but also provides a sense of accomplishment for each completed item. Congratulations, you've now learned how to change the status of tasks in Clickup. With these simple steps, you can maintain a clear view of your project's progress, ensuring your workflow remains organized and efficient. Enjoy managing your tasks and happy productivity.